Looking for a water drop reverse osmosis alternative? Try this top-tier system. Thinking about a water drop reverse osmosis system? Check out this alternative that delivers top-tier results. As always, copy and paste the link below for the best price. This system uses a thorough 5-stage process to purify your tap water, ensuring it's free of harmful chemicals and impurities. The long-lasting filters treat tap and well water, making this system an affordable alternative to other popular brands. Guarantees the system meets the highest standards of water filtration and safety. It's better than bottled water, provides unlimited crisp, clean water that tastes better than any bottled option, designed for quiet operation. This system operates noise-free and trouble-free, ensuring you get pure water without the hassle. The APEC water systems or OES 50 offers similar performance to popular, more expensive systems like WaterDrop, with a 5-stage filtration process that removes up to 99% of impurities. Plus, it's WQA certified and includes premium, long-lasting filters for clean water that's better and cleaner and better than bottled. Thinking about a water drop reverse osmosis system? Check out this alternative that delivers top-tier results. Copy and paste the link below.